Well, hello there. I'm going to take you on a broccoli journey. A broccoli journey, he says. Well, yes, a broccoli journey. This is interesting. So, what I do is I take a bag of broccoli. I think I paid like $9.99 at Amazon. That was like 2 years ago. It's been a while. It's been a while. I got so much stuff that I grow in my garden that I don't do this all the time. But now and then I say, you know what? I feel like some sprouts. Now you can do this with radish. Radish, same thing. It's a wonderful flavor. A little spicy. So what I do is I just take a small jar because I'm a bachelor. I don't want a bunch of broccoli sprouts that I can't eat soon enough. So what I do is I'll take like a tablespoon or so, just about like that. Just about like that. Well, I guess I'm gonna have some in my sink. I'll grow some in my sink. And so, yeah, it's not much, right? It's about that much. And because I'm using a little jar. So, and then what I'll do is I'll get some water and I'll get it to 90 degrees or so, because you don't need much water. Because what I want to do is I want to germinate them. I want to get them germinated. So by miking the water, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 seconds. Then I will check my temperature with this little gadget right here. Let me inspect it. I'm inspecting this gadget. Yeah, it's gonna work. I do this for so many things when I shampoo my carpet. Oh, that's enough. I chose to boil my water up to 145 degrees and fill my water tank. And so, stir around a little bit there maybe. Just a smidget. Make sure I'm not over 100. 90 degrees, right on where I want it. So, then I just take that 90 degrees weather. Well, it's going to feel like weather in there. 90 degrees weather. And so what I'll do is I'll let them soak for, I don't know, 24 hours. And within that 24 hours, they're going to cap open. The seals are going to break, and I'm going to see growth within 24-hour period in there. Now you can do multiple different things. What I did is I had some extra screen. I went to power some moss off of my screens on my windows, and that screen just didn't like that power sprayer. So I had these. It wasn't little holes anymore in my screen. It was really old screen, like about 20 years old, which is probably why it had moss on it. And it just couldn't handle any power sprayer. I power sprayed it before when they were younger. You don't want a power spray screen when it's older. Us either. So I got some extra left over from when I replaced my screens. And so I just cut them little squares. I went out there and I said, oh, because this is a fiber and it works great. Now, here's something really important to remember. When you rinse these, I'm going to show you the whole process here. And I'm going to take you to the whole process until I'm eating them. So I'm going to delay, do it again, delay. This is where we are. This is where we are. Please subscribe, thumbs up, ring my bell, ring my bell. I got all kinds of weird things I do, And so what I do is I take that cloth like that, and then I seat it onto my jar. So I put my cloth on there, cloth's on there, and then I quickly seat it. I want it to seat. So I screw it on, nice and snug, seat it for a little bit, just let that fiber kind of get used and stretched to that angle of the lid. All right, nice and snug. Take it back off. And you got a nice, snug screen. Right there. Whoops. Right? And so it's going to fit nice and snug in this lid. All right, so when this is done, like starting to germinate, I can see all the greenery happening, which will be about 24 hours. I will dump that. So I'll take this screen, put it back on there, reseed it, and then I will dump the water out. And then I'll twist it, twist the seeds. I won't put any more water in there. I'll twist it so that it spreads, the seeds kind of get spread out in the jar. I'll just kind of twist it, kind of move it. I don't want the seeds staying in the clump. And then I'll put them in a bright window. No sun. Don't put them in the sun. It'll dry them out like, right? A little light's okay. Some folks, they like to put them in a pantry so that they stay, they don't dry out too fast. But any kind of light will dry those seeds out. The trick here is to allow them just to maintain that water that they absorbed on their shell to keep them going. Oh, I got moisture still, things are working, right? But if you keep that water in there, it'll actually drown them. So I'm going to take you through this whole process. And so stage 1. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in the window, and tomorrow I'll show you what I do. No sunlight in this window. I get no direct sunlight in this window, just bright light. Now, once they germinate, if you want a darker green, you can put them in a little bit of sunlight. When they're getting closer to full maturity, that's okay then. But when they're first starting out, no, that'll kill them. Any sunlight would just, oh, I got fooled. April Fools hit me. I thought I was in the right environment. Botany isn't happening today. All right, well, follow along. I'll see you again in just like that.